Hey, you guys. I am on my way to Target right now, going to check out some hygiene products and also to show you exactly the types of products you can put in your to-go bag, especially during these summer months when you want to stay cool, you want to stay fresh. Maybe you need to freshen up, whatever the case may be. I'm going to show you some things that I usually pick up to put in my little pouch here. If that is something that interests you, make sure you keep on watching and tag along with me. Alright, you guys, I'm just scrolling through to see what new products they got because this is a different Target that I usually go to. This one was kind of new because the other one they had watermelon and another brand, but they don't sleep on the kids section, body washes and stuff, you guys, because they be smelling amazing. So like I said, I'm just browsing through here because y'all know I like to do my hygiene a little last because that's where I tend to be at a lot of. And then I just scroll through the dresses. Target be having some cute dresses, you guys, some cute little outfits. And I'll be like, man, if you only knew what you missing out going to Target. That one caught my eye. That one was my favorite. So yeah, don't be surprised if you look up and see me in that one. But that one was super cute, all springy and summery. Yeah, they had a lot of cute little like wrap-ups for swimsuits and all of that. So yeah, check out your local Target and see what new deals they may have. And then like I said, I just went on through and just kind of browsed a little bit just to see if there's anything new or what have you. So just tag along with me. Right now I'm over to the travel side, so I'm going to show you guys a little bit of what you can do to fill your pouch. And they had some little pouches over here, you guys, so make sure you check the travel size. You can use this little pouch right here. What I like to do is when I fill my pouch up, I like to add like a small thing of like a little body wash or a small thing of mini soaps. I use a lot of baby wipes. I have a couple of those, like a small thing of baby wipes in there. I have like a miniature bar size of soap in there. That's what I usually have. And then, like I said, I have a small thing of deodorant in there. Sometimes I may have a small travel size deodorant for the kids as well. But like I said, the more you put in there, your little bag gonna be stuffed, you guys. So just keep that in mind. And then I have like a small travel size of, like I said, deodorant for the kids. And then I have my small travel size deodorant. I mean, not deodorant, toothpaste. Because, you know, when you're out and you're eating and stuff, you may want to freshen up your breath and stuff. And then I always have like a small thing of mouthwash, floss or whatever. It just depends. It just depends on where you're eating at. And then, like I said, you can always get a travel size toothbrush. And that's why I be telling you guys, do not sleep on your travel size section. And then I always have like a little water bottle. Well, not water bottle, but a little bottle where you can put some water in there and leave it in there. Honey, you just can't never be too prepared, especially with these summer months coming up. You know how hot it get in the summertime, especially if you're down south. It gets crazy hot. And don't forget your sunscreen, you guys. I didn't mention it in this, but don't forget your sunscreen. Always keep a thing of lotion in your purse, in your little to-go bag, pouch or whatever. You don't be walking around with no crusty hands. You can even do a little thing of Vaseline, whatever floats your boat. And I always see these little things. They're so super sticky cute. Like I said, some wipes, some hand sanitizer. You can't go wrong with that. So yeah, that is what I recommend for the little bag. Just browsing the hair section because this is Taraji P. Henson's brand, and I've been meaning to try this, but every time I come in Target I forget. But look like she's added some new things to there because right now I'm having a hard time with my scalp. It itches all day long, so I may have to just go back especially when I get paid next week, come back and grab a few things. Because, boy, when I tell you my head be itching, Jesus. And then I walked on over to the deodorant and body wash out, and Native be doing their thing, honey. They be coming out with all kinds of scents. But the one that I had my eye on is what's the name of it? By Humans or something. See, it's made in these little things like this. It's some natural deodorant. Y'all know I be trying my natural deodorants, but if you missed my last video, I showed you what I've been using in place of Native. So make sure you go back and watch that video. I have it up here in the cards for you. And y'all know I stay in the men's deodorant section just to see what they got, because I'm telling you, men's deodorant be stronger than women. And these little wipes right here, make sure you put those in your to-go bags as well. The little ones with the individual packages, because they work wonders. And I'm going to tell you another thing that I use in the summer, deodorant wipes. They have those now too as well, in a couple of panty liners, a couple of tampons. Y'all fix y'all to-go bags up. Tag me on Instagram in my stories and let me know how your cute little to-go bag is working out. Because, like I said, I want all you ladies to be smelling good. See, this is the one, Hey Humans. And that one smells like bananas, you guys. I've been wanting to try it because it smells so yummy. It smells so good. But, you know, it's natural deodorant, so I don't know how well it's going to work with my body chemistry, but that's on my to-do list next week. But I wanted to come and browse. Y'all know I like to browse first and see what's in there, and then I go home and make my list, because can't come in the store without a list. And then I went over to my stoppables. Y'all, these things smell so freaking good. It smells so good. Cotton candy or cool cotton. Y'all know I use those things. I multitask with those things. So I'm just browsing, you guys, and y'all just tag along with me. All right, yeah, like I said, they have a lot of it. And then I think today they had the buy two get a $5 gift card. Sometimes they have the buy two get $10 gift card. So y'all be looking for that, because that's when I stock up. Just like I do at Walgreens, I stock up like that at Target as well. Because Gain Original little stoppables or whatever you want to call them, oh, they smell amazing. Oh, you can't go wrong with Downy Unstoppables. You cannot go wrong. That one is a good scent. I mean, it was a lady that passed by me. I bet she was like, what is this woman doing? But I love smell goods, you guys. I love to smell stuff. So, like I said, I'm just going over. This is the one that I was talking about, the watermelon one in the little kids section. Like I said, I've tried a lot of raw sugar brands, and they for the most part, they smell really good. Leave me a comment below and let me know if you've tried any of raw sugar brands. And so now I'm going to let you just go ahead and browse with me, and I'm going to keep on browsing, okay? You have my heart, you have my soul, you have my whole. Here I was trying to show you that the Target brand works just as good as the Dove, so don't sleep on that, because I've tried it. And this is some more raw sugar. Everybody's coming out with these little types of deodorants, so y'all let me know what y'all think. But I'm gonna try that Hey Humans. I'm gonna try that and let y'all know how I like it. But I hope you guys enjoy browsing these stores with me. Let me know if you want me to do some other stores. Let me know what other stores you guys want me to do. Y'all know I love to browse and shop and take you guys along with me. Like I said, give this video a thumbs up, you guys. Give it a thumbs up. It really does help my channel. If you have not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe and become a part of the family. So I'm going to keep on browsing, you guys. I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me pressing through. I can't forget the day. I know I talk about my Arm & Hammer. I love my Arm & Hammer. And this right here, the Lysol, it makes your sheets and towels smell really good. I've used it. I can't keep it in the house because I use it too quickly. But it works really well. And that cleaning vinegar, if you want to get cleaning, I use it to clean my stove and stuff out. But this Fabuloso, this yellow one, it stinks. It smells like pee. They could have kept that, because that ain't it. But that lemon fresh pine salt, it's the bomb. Yeah, but like I said, I don't know what's going on, but a lot of things they're changing their formulas and it be stinky. But yeah, so I'm gonna leave a link to some other shop with me videos. If you like this video, I know you're gonna love those, so I'm gonna leave those in the cards for you to check out my other store shop with me videos. But yeah, I'm gonna continue on browsing, and I love you guys, and I thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel every week. I mean, not every week, but watching my videos. I totally appreciate it. And then this Febreze, the one with the Gain Island fresh scent, that smells heavenly, you guys. If you don't have that, try that. It's good to spray on your curtains, your furniture, all of that good stuff. And don't forget your poopery as well, ladies. But yeah, I'm just browsing, so have a great